believe in magic in a young girl's heart, how the music can free her whenever it starts, and it's magic. If the music is groovy, it makes you feel happy like an old-time movie. I'll tell you about the magic that can free your soul, but it's like trying to tell a stranger about a rock and roll. If you believe in magic, don't bother to choose if it's jug band music or rhythm and blues. Just go and listen. It'll start with a smile that won't wipe off your face, no matter how hard you try. Your feet start tapping and you can't seem to find how you got there, so just blow your mind. If you believe in magic, come along with me. We'll dance until morning if it's just you and me. And baby, if the music is right, I'll meet you tomorrow so late at night, and we'll go dancing, baby. Then you'll see how the magic's in the music and the music's in me. Yeah. Do you believe in magic? Yeah. Believe in the magic of a young girl's soul. Believe in the magic of a rock and roll. Believe in the magic, it can set you free. Oh, talking about the magic. Do you believe in magic? Do you believe it, believe it? Do you believe in magic?
You got a smile so bright, you know you could have been a candle. I'm holding you so tight, you know you could have been a handle. The way you swept me off my feet, you know you could have been a brew. And baby, smell so sweet, you know you could have been some perfume. Well, you could have been anything that you wanted to. I can tell the way you do the things you do. Alright, the way you do the things you do. As pretty as you are, you know you could have been a flower. Your good looks were many, you know you could have been a lover. The way you stole my heart, you know you could have been a groove. And baby, you're so smart, you know you could have been a schoolgirl. Well, you could have been anything that you wanted to. I can tell the way you do the things you do. Alright, the way you do the things you do. You make my life so rich, you know you could have been some money. And baby, you're so sweet, you know you could have been some honey. Well, you could have been anything that you wanted to. I can tell the way you do the things you do. Alright, the way you do the things you do. As pretty as you are, you know you could have been a flower. You could have